Hi class, let's take a look at example 4. And example 4, they want us to basically still look at the x-axis. The function that we're given, it's technically y is equal to x. So let me actually draw this one. So this is your line y is equal to x. So we're going to have this line going in this direction. We have y is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, and 1. So technically, the region is just going to be up to 1. This is 0. And let me just shade it. So that would be the region. The actual solid, in this case, it's going to look as follows. Kind of like a cone. Actually, it's a cone. And these are supposed to be straight lines, and there you can see the actual center. Well, actually no, the center is a little bit lower, and I'm talking about the center from here, from the actual the y is equal to 0 line. Okay, so let's take a look at the volume. So in terms of the volume, we're going to be looking at the integral from 0 to 1 of pi, and this one's just going to have an x squared, x then squared by the formula dx, which is equal to pi integral from 0 to 1 of x squared dx, or pi times an x to the third divided by 3 evaluated from 0 to 1, or this one's just going to give us a pi over 3. So the actual volume is equal to pi over 3 units to the third power. They don't mention any units, so units to the third power would be the most appropriate answer.